Now that we've done step 1, where we've multiplied a times c, now it's time to do step 2. And step 2, you are going to set up a table, kind of like you did with some of the easier versions of these quadratic equations, except it's going to be a little bit different. So we need to find numbers that we can multiply. So we need to find a set of numbers that we can multiply to get a times c. So remember from step 1, a times c in this case was 6. So we have to, in this particular situation, figure out what would we multiply to get AC, which was 6, that we can add to get B. And in this case, B is that number 5. So we're looking for two numbers that will multiply to get A times C that will add to get B. So I'm going to start looking for factors that I can multiply to get 6. So I could do 1 times 6, but 1 times 6 does not equal 5. Or I could do 2 times 3, and yep, 2 plus 3 also gives me 5. So I just found those two numbers that I needed, which were a positive 2 and a 3.